Good morning, Miles. What's the matter? Are you standing in your crib? What a big boy. What a big boy. Oh, is that right? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. Mama? Is that what you said? No. Dada. Where's your Tigger? Where's your Tigger, Miles? Is that him right there? Hey, who's this? Who's this? Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Put your hands down. There you go. Don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall. Hold on, let's fix this. Try that. Better?